In our updated resource management maturity model, we define the 5 levels of maturity and what it's going to take to level up. Today, we're starting with level 1, fire drill planning. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. At level 1, resource planning is an afterthought, if it's a thought at all. Project managers build their schedules, create their task lists, and assign people in their work management system. And then they hope the magic happens. At this level, project managers aren't factoring in the best fit resource based on skills and, most importantly, availability. And to be fair, that's not really their job. A project manager's responsibility is to deliver work on time, on budget, and within scope, not track enterprise-wide capacity and availability. But when resource planning isn't part of the equation, delivery failures become the norm. In fact, delivery expectations at this level are missed 2 out of 3 times. When PMOs are operating at level 1, opportunities get passed up, simply because no one can say, yes, we have the capacity for that. The good news, this is fixable. To level up, organizations need to intentionally build in a resource planning phase into their project planning. That doesn't mean you need to be using fancy tools right away. You can simply do this in Excel. The key here is collaboration. Project managers need to be working with the people managers to understand what each person is already committed to and how those commitments are going to impact the upcoming projects. This single shift from assumption to visibility is what's going to move your organization out of fire drill mode and onto a much more sustainable path.